In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip your webcam for any virtual call. So let's get started. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to take your webcam, whether you're on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, anything else, and flip it. Because for example, if you are teaching and you say, okay, on the left, if you don't flip it, people are going to see it on their right. So either as a teacher, you have to flip everything. So you have to say on your left and raise your right hand, or your students have to kind of figure it out, and it gets really confusing. So instead, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to do this. Now this method only works if you have a PC, Mac, or a Linux computer. Unfortunately, Chromebooks, tablets, cell phones, I know I get that question a lot too. This method does not work for that. I do think I have a potential solution for Chromebooks. I'm still testing it and hopefully it pans out soon. Fingers crossed. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you do know if I drop that video. And I do need to mention, in Zoom in particular, if you go to your video settings, there is a mirror appearance option, but if you click that, it only mirrors your appearance and it doesn't change for everyone else in the call. So don't do that. The main Zoom call on my desktop and I joined in on my laptop. Right now, if I wave my right hand, say my right hand, see how it's still the left? When I go into video settings, mirror my video. So now on my call, the one that's hosting it, it is flipped. My right hand is on the right, but in the Zoom call, right hand, it is still not flipped. So if you do mirror appearance in Zoom, it does not affect how everyone else sees you. A while ago, I made a video on the same topic showing you how to flip your camera with Snap Camera, but unfortunately Snapchat closed it and so we can't use it anymore. So instead, we're gonna use a software called OBS. First, you're gonna go and download OBS. After you've downloaded OBS and installed it onto your computer and opened it up for the first time, this is what it's going to look like. There are just a few settings we're going to look at real quick. You're going to go down here to settings, go to video, and look at your resolution. Now, 1920 by 1080 is a great default. Just know that if your computer seems to struggle a little bit with running OBS, you can click here and lower it down to 1280 by 720. That's also perfectly fine for web calls. And then just hit OK once you're done. Now, out of all of these tabs, the only ones we need to worry about are sources and the Start Virtual Camera button. Basically, we're going to take your webcam or whatever camera you're using, turn it into a source that OBS can see, and then OBS is going to act as an in-between and turn it into a virtual camera for Zoom or Google Meet to look at. So watch. I'm going to click here, go to Video Capture Device. We can call it whatever we want. So let's say webcam, for example. And under device, you're just going to select your camera. So for me, I'm going to select my capture card, but your webcam will probably be called something different. And there we go. You can see me and hit OK. You'll notice this red box around it. Sometimes when you add a camera source in, it might not fit what we call the canvas. So you can just click and drag to resize it. So sometimes you'll add it and it looks like this. So all you need to do is grab a corner and pull it to make sure it fits. And then you're good to go. Now you'll notice there's still the issue where if I say my right hand, it shows on the left for the audience, left hand, same thing, this on the audience's right. So now we just right click on here. Oh, like make sure this webcam is selected. Sorry, click that. Now right click. We're gonna go down to transform and then flip horizontal. So watch when I do this. Boom. And now if I say my right hand, it's on the right, left hand is on the left. Notice the text on my shirt, I wore something with text on purpose, it is now also flipped. So if you have things with text that you need to show in your call, just be aware that things will be flipped because of the camera. Cool? But there you go, super easy. The last thing we need to do is hit Start Virtual Camera. But before I do that, let me show you what it looks like on Zoom before I hit that button. We're gonna open up a Zoom call here. And you'll notice the video is on. If I go here, I've selected OBS Virtual Camera, but there's nothing going on. That's because I haven't said Start Virtual Camera yet. So if I hit the Start Virtual Camera button, now I can just minimize OBS and just leave it running in the background. I don't need to touch it now. Now on Zoom, it is flipped. Look at that. So my left my right, and there you have it. That's how you flip your webcam for any virtual call. I hope you found that helpful. If you're teaching on Zoom, I highly recommend you check out the video I made on the best audio settings for a Zoom class. And make sure you check out the link in the description for my free Instagram profile checklist for dancers. Like always, make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell icon so you know the next time I drop a video, and I'll see you next time.